But you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child. Come on! It's celebration! Join the celebration! Happy birthday to you. May your dreams this year come true. From your friends and to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday. You cardboard?
But the sticker. And these
Let me open for you. Let me open it for you. Does he have a flag on it? Yes, he does.
Mama, I'm getting warm.
You're getting warm now. That's good. Hello. We never take like pictures. But I feel like oh, it's very dark in here. Come. Yeah, let you fool. Let you really make. Ooh, that's why I love this season, Waitsi. Yo, nights are just beautiful in autumn.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and I'ma wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out valley and the fire.
Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways. But it's harder on the cold day. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah. Cause oh, I love to times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. It's for tomorrow, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See with the top
Hey guys, so I am running a bit late. I'm off to buy meat and wurst at OK's. Let's go. My battery is running low, so yeah. I just wanted to show you guys how I look like. I'm not sure you'll see, but yeah. That's where we are. The lever is out as per usual. Get Alobon.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare. I know that I don't make things clear. I call for you
Okay, I am back from the shops, and trust me when I say I left here at 4:15. I entered here at 5:15. What a wow! What a wow! See why I love shopping on a Saturday afternoon, late afternoon, almost supper. That's why I love shopping that time, because it's so clear, the queues aren't long, you know. But I will tell you this, that cab driver took me everywhere, and I'm irritated at the fact that Bolt driver took me everywhere. He took me to the petrol station, he took a long route. I wasn't happy, but I kept my mouth shut. But anyway, guys, this is one of the reasons why God has to bless me with a car. Because how did I just leave the house an hour ago and I'm done shopping? Guys, my phone is flashing. Battery is about to die. And space, my dear. One thing I also have to teach myself to do is eat before I leave, because I'm so moody when I leave the house when I'm hungry. Like, people will be so nice and I'll be so, I don't know why. I met one of my favorite YouTubers, Ubi. I met B and I was so down, and afterwards I was really feeling bad. But I'm hungry, guys. Let me fix something to eat. We'll talk. Oh no, this vlog is long enough. I think I should just end it here. It's long enough. I should just end it here. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping back by. Thank you so much for watching this video up until the end. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you in the next one. As for me, you can find me on WhatsApp at Clubbox Echoes 8. Bye. That's man. Yes, Makosi Amahle. We are leading. Ashi, Manu, Ashi. Aye.
Mom, why?
Beautiful, man. Yeah. That happens. Yes, man.
Mom, why did you? I said, why did you yell? I get a fry.
Oh, sorry, ne. We are leading. We are leading. And I'm saying this for my brother to hear me. Rice, Kosi, rice. Kosi, rice. Yeah. Yes, Bobo, yes.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me.